Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this raw mango spicy chicken. Very easy, very delicious, great appetizer. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started. To start off here, I have a large skillet. To this I've added 2 bay leaves, 2 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick and 2 cardamom without any oil. We are going to dry roast it for 5 minutes on a medium low heat. And then we will go ahead and add the oil and then we'll continue the process. We need quite a lot of oil, around 1/4 cup oil, because we are going to cook the whole chicken and everything in this oil. I'm going to just add the oil and cook for another 20 seconds. Now I'm going to add 1 large onion that is thinly sliced. I'm adding white onion, you can add red onion if you prefer. Go ahead and saute this until the onions turn translucent. You don't have to brown the onion at all. You have to just turn them into translucent. 5 green chilies or as needed. Go ahead and cook them. Saute for a couple seconds. And now we are going to add chicken to this. Here I have 1 pound of chicken breast. I've cut them into small cube pieces. You can add thighs as well. Go ahead and cook the chicken until it's no longer pink in color. So that means the chicken is not going to cook through. It's just going to have this white color on top. Once the chicken turns nice and white, we are going to see there's a lot of moisture released. At this point, we are going to add salt as needed. Combine and coat the chicken with the salt. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder. Go ahead and combine again until the chicken and the masala is well coated. We are going to cook this with no water. Whatever the moist is there is the chicken and the oil. Cook for 3 minutes. Now again, I'm going to cook for another 10 minutes on medium-low heat. 3 medium tomatoes and 1 small raw green mangoes. This is skinned and cut them into a big size pieces. Go ahead and add that and combine well together with the chicken and cook them until the mango is nice and tender, which might take around 10 to 12 minutes. Once you see everything is nicely tenderized, like the mango and the chicken is cooked through, now we are going to add handful of curry leaves. I'm using 1 whole bunch. So go ahead and just add the curry leaves and just give it a quick mix. It gives this great flavor to the chicken. Now I'm going to let it cook and I'm adding 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Go ahead and combine and let it cook, continue to cook until there is no longer any moist in the chicken. Now here I have 4 garlic cloves, large, and 1 inch of ginger, julienne. Go ahead and add that, and you can already see the oil is separated on the sides, and I've also added 5 to 8 mint leaves. Go ahead and combine and cook until there is no longer any moisture in the chicken and the oil is separated from the side. Now you can just garnish with some cilantro, turn off the heat and serve. It's super easy and it's very delicious. I hope you enjoy watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.